she's got a white
flash?
white on her chest.
I don't see anything there. I haven't.
Usually for her, you'd see that she goes up.
Okay. Yeah, I haven't seen anything.
I was just hoping that she goes like this and tries to get up on the line, then you'd see it. But
which one
it should be Floppy if she
Floppy?
does that. Yeah. We seen Boy Floppy yesterday. He's got a solid one line.
Right, okay.
Boss got a hold of him. Her patches out of him.
Oh, really?
Come on, get over. He just floated on you?
Yeah, it's a video with Neil's head in the middle of it.